My name is Lawrence Wong. I was born in 1972. My father, he came from Hainan Island as a teenager. He helped his father, my grandfather, who was then working as a chef on the Malayan railways. So my dad studied in Ipoh and came over to Singapore later as a young man looking for a job. My mother, she grew up in Kampong Ember. As a young girl, she was asked to stay home and look after the younger children in the extended family. So no chance to go to school. But she insisted on doing so, and my grandfather eventually relented. She completed her secondary education, and she later became a school teacher. One of my parents' proudest achievements was to be able to own their HDB flat, a brand new home in Marine Parade, at that time newly reclaimed from the sea. It cost them what was then a princely sum of $30,000. I did well enough to obtain a PSC scholarship. Without that, my parents would not have been able to afford my overseas studies. My father, who died 3 years ago, would certainly have been surprised that the son of someone of his background could become Prime Minister. But it would have vindicated his faith that he had made the right choice coming to Singapore. If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.